area of circle C1 is what? Pi into r square. Now r is what? OE, right? So OE we know now. So 25 into 3.14, because 5 square 25, so it becomes 78.5. That is area of circle C1. Inner we have found out, means inscribed circle we have found out now. Now circumscribed circle means this outer one. For that you all again need the area. Now what is the area? OD. See here, OD is the area of the outer circle. So how to find it? OE you know and ED you know, right? 5 5. So OD will be what? By Pythagoras theorem, because this is the right angle. OED is the right angle. Therefore area of outer circle C2 is what? Pi into OD square equals to pi into OD square is what? Pythagoras. OE square plus ED square, 5 square plus 5 square, that is 25 25 50, 50 pi. Number this pi 3.14, so it becomes 157 cm square. Remember, in exam you always check the options what are given. If the options are in pi, no need to solve this pi 3.14, keep it pi only. But if the options are numbers, then you will have to solve it. Okay. So area of C2 you got it now. Now it's easy. Area of what? ABCD you want it now. See here, for both these two circles, I have also solved it. If you take pi as 22 upon 7, then the answer is 25 into 22 by 7, that is 550 by 7 cm square. And for C2 it is 50 into 22 by 7, that is 1100 upon 7 cm square, right? Now both the ways you can solve it, or even you can keep pi only, depending on what's the option in the exam. Now last part what we want is area of the shaded region. Okay, so shaded is what? Quite simple, C2 minus C1. So area of inscribed plus area of circumscribed minus area of inscribed, that is 157 minus 78.5, that is 78.5 cm square. Now if you take pi as 22 by 7, then it will be 110 minus 550 upon 7, right? So 550 upon 7 cm square. Both the ways you can do it. In the given figure, ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at A. Okay, this is angle A and this is ABC. Okay. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.